Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the software called LoadTeam. Now, what this software does, it uses your computer's idle resources to perform various tasks and pays you for the processing power used. So it's kind of like mining, but instead of bitcoins you get actual money. So the process is very simple. You just have to sign up, download the app, and then you're done. So just simply click on register, fill out this form. As you can see, your username, your first name, last name, your country, email, password. And once it's done, all you have to do is just download the application, which I already have right here, and then just run it. So when you run it, it's going to ask you to log in. So just simply enter in your password and username and just log in, and you are good to go. And that is it. And once you've logged in, you are good to go. And this is the application right here. Nothing too fancy. Over here, you can go ahead and check the performance tuning, account setting, check for updates, and start minimized. So if you have anything, but yeah, after that, you can see it starts calculating over here. It just starts doing that. And down here are going to be the amount that you've earned. And here is the account detail. If you click over here, it takes you back to the load team. Over here, you just sign in and enter in your account details for payouts. Literally, that's it. So very simple. This is how you do it. This is how you use LoadTeam to earn money. So thank you guys for watching. Until next time, take care and goodbye.